are solving JavaScript quiz. So the question we cover is कि वो वन गो में हो गए, लाइक जिसको ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं, जस्ट स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. इफ़ यू फील कि तुमसे नहीं हो रहा, दैट इज़ फाइन, बट दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस विच at least I am able to do in one go. Let's go ahead, and you guys should try again. I'm unsubmitting everything and like just to start. So yeah, what will be the answer? So you can pause the video and try to attempt. So let's solve it. We have let dev as dfe, and there is a function, and let dev is equal to bfe, and it returns a function. So the returning function, here comes the concept of closure. It will return with this variable value bfe, and so when we call it, it will be pointing to bfe. So the output criteria is, if anything we are printing that is string, we need to print in double colon. So yeah, bfe will be printed. Good, well and good. We can see the post also. Here is a closure is created when a function is defined in such that return function within, maintaining a reference to the function variable even after function execution is completed. Yeah, this is the first question. Let me, oh sorry, don't see the answer. Going to the next question. So a is equal to bfe dot dev. We are checking type of a is string. Yeah, it is string, but consider, see here, it is written not. So yeah, it is a string, so not a string will be printed. Coming to the next question. Yeah, in class A we are having one variable a, and in prototype we are having c and b extended with variable a. So what value will variables a will have? A will have a and c. What variables do b have? It will have, sorry, what properties have b will have? It will have a, b and c. So a dot a will be a dot b is, we don't have b in a, so it will be undefined. A dot c will be c. B dot a will be a. How will we access b dot a? We search for b dot a in a class, b class, and then it is not present, then we go to a class. Then b dot b is straightforward, and b dot c is also not straightforward, but yeah, it will check in b, then it's prototype, then a, then as prototype. So this will be the output. Here the context is function dot length returns the how many arguments we have, so it will return 4. If we see any meaningful post is there, the number of parameters, nothing much. Here we just push and unshift. So push will add it back and unshift add it front, so the answer will be 5 6 1 2 3 and 4. Not much rocket science. This is interesting question. The comma operator returns the last value, so it will return the 3. That's not a normal thing we see in code base, but it's important concept. The comma evaluates each of its operand from left to right and return the last operand, the last one. Okay. Same concept here apply here. Here the comma operator is there, so this will be returned, and what it is returning, this function, and when we call this, what it return, this dot b is dev, so dev will be printed. Again coming here, as the var is function scope, so here as var is hoisted, so here we have I for I as undefined. It will not be in temporal dead zone because it is var, not let or const. Then 0 will be printed, then 1, then 2. So this is the answer. Because of hoisting, it will move up. Okay. Yeah, it is nice question of type one is that when they are of not same type, then one number is implicitly converted to another value. So yeah, both are of same, so it will be true. Here 9 will be converted to number, so it is true. Again 10 will be converted to number, it will be true. Now both are strings, so we compare the first character. So first character is 1 and here it is 9, so it is false. If we see also compares to operand, if either operand is number, JavaScript first convert the string to equal to number, and okay, and the last one is compared lexicographically. Yeah. This is interesting question. It is asked in many interviews, personally to me also. So where is block scope? So when set timeout won't execute instantly, right? It will be going in the task queue and it will be running afterwards, right? It's async code, right? So till till the first time it runs, the I already went to 5, so 5 will be printed 5 times, but that is not case with let. Let is block scope, so it will have the previous value. So here 1 2 3 4, 4 these will be printed. If we go here, the where is function scope, we declare a function and otherwise it is globally scope. Let is block scope only exist in block. The way to understand this, imagine in each iteration we declare I using var and assigning the count. Since we are just redeclaring I, the same variable keeps on updating, and ultimately when pending set time of to execute, we will this all this will point to shared variable. Each iteration hold separate I. Yeah, it's better explanation. This is simple programming thing where this is pre-increment, this is post-increment. Here the variable will be incremented and then assigned. Here it will be assigned and then incremented. So A will be 3, B will be 2, C will be 2. If you want to see, it will be incremented and then return. This will be incremented as well, but it will return the value before incrementing. Okay. So true, the for declaration will be executed. So BFE will be printed by this call, but it is false, it is never executed, so we'll get an error that it is not defined. Correct. Function declaration are not blocks. So this means function declared in block will leak outside if function for you. Okay, that's the thing, that it will execute and it will come into picture, but it won't execute it. We don't have the definition of bar because this will never be executed, this line of code. This is again push returns the length of new array, so b will be 4. Now we are pushing a 4 to an integer, so that will give a error. If we see the post also returns new length of array, so b is now 4. Since number are immutable in Java, it is invalid operator. Okay, so thanks. These are the questions I have solved in one go. There are plenty of others, but I'm covering these in this video. Thank you.